Hello， 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Millian's Kitchen. Today, let's make chow fan from scratch. Today, I will show you my secret homemade chow fan recipe. I will show you how to make the noodle from scratch and a recipe to make with it. Now, I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by mixing the rice flour with tapioca flour. Then mix it with some water. Once it is completely mixed, add in the boiling water. Next, set up the steamer. I will put a link in the description box for the steamer. Mix it to evenly spread the tray with oil. Then add a thin layer of butter onto steamer tray. And steam it for 1.5 minutes or until you see air bubbles in the noodles. When it's done, remove the tray from the steamer and gently remove the noodles. I like to fold it before I stack the noodles. Let's prepare the vegetables. While we let the noodles rest, start by cutting the white part of the green onion in half. Then chop it into large pieces. Then cut the yellow onion into strips. Now cut the cabbage. Next, let's cut the noodles. Take the noodles and cut it into even pieces. Then we want to beat a couple of eggs. Let's make the sauce. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken powder, and sugar mixed together. Now let's heat up our wok and add some cooking oil. Then add in the egg and scramble it. When the egg is cooked through, take it out. Add some more oil into the wok and cook the vegetables. When the vegetables start to sweat, add in the noodles and mix it. Then add the eggs back in and add the sauce. Mix everything together. Now add in the green onions and mix it in. Don't cook the green onions too long or it will change the colors. When the noodles is finished, take it out. And it's done! Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! I love homemade noodles. So delicious. The noodles soft and bouncy. It's savory and tastes a little bit sweet. Very fragrant from the onion. The fresh noodles taste so much better. It's really good. If you guys have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。